Okay, welcome back. So we're going to carry on with this idea of using follow actions, quite a few different sort of applications. So the idea here in this second channel that says variant 1, the follow actions remain the same. It's still basically to the same quantized pattern, but the difference is basically in the chain window. I've actually dragged some across. So there are a variety of lengths being used here, which means that whenever a note comes in, a note like C, will have a much longer duration and will turn up in lots of different contexts, creating a much more sort of harmonic approach to this kind of bass line. So as you can hear, we hear many more sort of notes actually being played because we hear, double stops essentially is what they're known as. So that's just the C on its own, right? Originally it was just one on its own. So here it is with another one. So this gives you the ability to sort of, kind of shape the harmony a bit more, get a little bit more kind of harmonic interest in there. You can kind of create sort of dissonances, you can create consonances. And then together. I hope you've enjoyed that. It was a very quick one, but it's a really useful variation. If you like this material, please remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for next time.